I will show you the entire procedure so that when the new owner receives the product, it will be like new and won't have any of your data available. I'm putting the screen here so you can see it in detail, and I'll indicate the steps to follow. All the steps are necessary, and you can't skip any of them. The first step is to access settings and go to the top where it mentions iCloud. In your iCloud, click on it and you will see 4 options. The only one you need to focus on for now is the search option. Click on search, and in search, you should select Find My iPhone. If you have it activated, you need to deactivate it. To deactivate it, it will ask for your iCloud password. I already have it deactivated, so it didn't ask me. This would be the first step to ensure that the person who receives it doesn't have any of your information, of any kind. The second step would be to go to the same menu where the Apple ID is and access iCloud. Once you access iCloud, with all the iCloud data, you need to go to iCloud Backup. To make a backup, as you can see here, back up everything you have on the phone now, and the backup time will depend on everything you want to save or everything you have on the phone. The more gigabytes of data you have on the phone, the longer this backup will take. Once you have made the backup, you can restore the phone with full confidence that you won't have any problems. And how is this done? Well, this is done in Settings, but not in the tab I showed you earlier, instead in General. You go to General. Once you are in General, what you need to do is go to Reset Phone. Another option you could consider is unlinking iCloud. Because in iCloud, as you can see here, what you can also do is unlink by signing out. I am also going to do it. I am going to sign out. Why? Because this also ensures that the phone has fewer data. This is an optional step. It is not mandatory. But I log out of iCloud here just in case. As you can see, it backs up data to iCloud. Up to this point, everything is already recorded. And when you copy the data from iCloud, the device will be able to restore it 100%. Look, I have already removed the Find My iPhone feature and the iCloud feature. And what I'm going to do is go to the screen I showed you earlier, which is the settings screen, which we will see here. Settings screen. Go to General, and now, by going to General, I can reset the phone. Resetting the phone gives me several options: reset settings, erase all content and settings, reset network settings, reset dictionary, reset home screen layout, reset location, and privacy. What I'm going to do is erase all content and settings, because that's what we want to do. And now it asks me for the phone's passcode, which I will enter off screen. It asks you one last time to erase the iPhone, and what I'm going to do is click on Erase the iPhone. It asks you again if you are sure you want to continue. All data, settings, and content will be erased. This operation cannot be undone. You press Erase. And from now on, it's simply a matter of waiting for the process, which, as you can see, can be faster or slower depending on the phone you have. Now the phone is going through the process, and when it finishes, the phone will be just like when you bought it. When you take it out of the box, the menus will appear asking you for the language, to set up your Wi-Fi, to enter your Apple ID, etc. In case you want to sell the phone, all you have to do is simply turn it off when it asks the first question in the activation menu. Turn it off and put it back in the box, and give it to the buyer. If you want to reset it for another person, family member, or friend, and you know the information they want to enter, you can do it. In case you want to use it yourself to get the phone back as new, just enter all your data and go ahead. But with this method, does the phone end up as if it were absolutely new from the standpoint that it erases all your data and there is no risk of anyone being able to access it? Now I am going to fast forward the video to the point I mentioned so you don't have to wait until everything is restored. And I will show you what I just said in the video so you can see what I am talking about. Well, as you could see, 2.5 minutes have passed. I fast forwarded the video and the phone is at the place we wanted, on the home screen, just like when the phone is delivered new by Apple. And at this point, all you have to do is turn off the device, which I will show you now on the main screen. All you have to do is turn off the device, and the device will be ready. As you can see now, we are going to turn it off. The device will be ready for the next buyer to use and enjoy without any of your data.